Hey guys, Hannah here, and today I'm going to show you how to use dry shampoo, in particular the amazing Moroccanoil dry shampoo. I love this stuff. You do not need to look any further for an amazing dry shampoo. Here it is, and I'm going to show you how to use it today because not everyone knows how. So on purpose, I waited about 4 days to make this video because I wanted to really show you how well it works. So I waited until my hair got really oily. I usually don't wait this long, but I'm trying to get better with that and trying to go a little longer without washing my hair. So this is the perfect opportunity right now to do that. And I thought I would show you firsthand how oily my hair is and how I'm going to fix it with this and how well it works. So as you can see, my hair is very oily right now. I'm not trying to hide that. I'll show you as much as I can. Especially my bangs. My bangs are a grease fest right now. So first I'm going to section my hair off. I'm gonna start under here, so you wanna shake the can to get everything all mixed up and ready to go. And this is the dry shampoo Dark Tones by Moroccanoil. And they also have a light tones one. So if you have blonde hair, they have it has like a purple tint to it. So that's good for blondes. But this one is the Dark Tones. So I'm just shaking it up. And that's all you do. I'm gonna take another big section here. And then the top. And I'm gonna go ahead on the other side. And now I like to do the back too. You don't need to go all the way down in the back, just kind of where your hair might split or you might see it. Dry shampoo is also really good for volume, so even if you don't have oily hair, it will help give you some volume. All right, now I'm gonna go along my hairline here. And now I'm gonna do my bangs. So I like to section my bangs off into just a couple sections. And I find my bangs can get oily down here too from sitting on my forehead, so I do like to spray it kind of all over my bangs. And then if I feel like it needs another little coat, I'll just go in and just kind of go like that. So as you can see, there is a white residue on my hair. That is the rice starch from the dry shampoo, and that's also the thing that makes it soak up your oils really well. So we have to get rid of that somehow. So I usually use a blow dryer and a brush, but you can just use a brush or just a blow dryer, but I'll show you how I like to do it and how it gets rid of the oils really well. So I'm gonna take a paddle brush and a blow dryer, and I'm just gonna start blow drying it and trying to brush through that dry shampoo. Alright, so as you can see, that white residue is gone. And my hair feels a lot cleaner and a lot less oily. and I'll show you underneath here how less oily that looks. So now obviously, since you brush through it all, you're gonna have to style it. So I suggest when you use dry shampoo, you do this first and then you style it after, because there's no point in styling it and then having to brush it through and ruin everything. So now you can go through and style it. So I'm just gonna take my flat iron and re-flat iron my bangs. And now I'm gonna go through and touch up my curls again. Alright guys, so that was my super simple dry shampoo tutorial. I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see next, and we'll see you on the next video.